Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Ka Office Powergrid Limbaga Corporation Social Responsibility Kala Isngobha da Kakali Bolero Pickup Truck Sekador Shnong Lapalang Hakap Sandrek Unai Wing Arajar Pausa Kenam Kador Shnong Kan Dubla Man Pintrekam Hakabelit Lum Yek Ñiut Kinyer Bagi Jabo Jaban Yek Tliu Ying Jiginong Shnong Kenang Marwanra Di Jingkut Jing Subah Hapo ka Shnong Haga Jing IT Kani Kali Kit Ñiut Lasakilang da Director Transmission Jongka Meghalaya Power Transmission Corporation Limited Uba Johannesburg Nyota Berurang Shnong Kador Shnong Lapalang, Director Jaga Meghalaya Institute of Governance, Uba Iban Swer, Chief General Manager Project Shillong, Himendra Agrawal, Chief General Manager Shillong, Madhu Sudandun, Senior General Manager Shillong, Anjan Sanyal. Kador Shnong Lapalang Lapin Pau, Yang Sngongo, Yang Powergrid, Kabel Ajing Yarap, Yang Shnong da Kalinyun.
Director Meghalaya Institute of Governance, Mr. Headman Nyasa, and today we are handing over a garbage collection under CSR initiative. Shillong is known for its cleanliness, and this small step of Powergrid will further strengthen the activity towards making Shnong and Lapalang area more clean. So, I again thank you all of you for your presence. Thank you very much.
Actually, Powergrid throughout wherever we have our presence all over the country, we are engaged in some sort of CSR activity for the development of the locality around us, and this has been continued since quite a few years, and it is our I'll say our pleasure and our endeavor that whatever effort we put in, that brings results, either in the form of there are various activities that we have been doing, like construction of schools and all, making of providing facilities in the hospitals and so on.
To show my appreciation to the Powergrid for initiating this project, for giving us the CSR, for providing us a Bolero pickup truck. As you know very well that our vehicles, we have two vehicles initially. That one vehicle we have purchased from our own resources, the Powergrid, and one we have got it from Muda department. The existing vehicle, which is very old and in very dated condition, this vehicle has served us for quite a number of years. So we approached Powergrid a few months back to give us a vehicle. Since this vehicle has been using not only for the locality purposes but also for Powergrid, we have been collecting the garbage from Powergrid, then nursery project, this NERPC. So this vehicle will serve a long way, and I promise to Powergrid that we maintain this vehicle very nicely. That you can assure from the government. Now, so we are spending a lot of money on maintenance of these two vehicles also. So our association with Powergrid goes a long way back since 2003. I think I remember correctly, when Powergrid provided us around 3 lakhs of rupees to construct the county hall, of which is still there now. And also during those COVID times, I would like to show my appreciation to Powergrid for helping us and providing some groceries to our residents. And this, our association with Powergrid will go a long way since we are here, and we will continue to support your office. With these few words, so thank you very much.
In this day and age, when cleanliness and management of our waste has become the key issue in everybody's discussion, yet no one has taken the initiative of providing the support that people need. So today, when I was informed that this organization is willing to hand over a pickup truck for waste disposal of this locality, it was a great sense of achievement to actually see that someone is taking this initiative to ensure that waste is properly disposed of in the right manner. While across the world people have been able to maintain the cleanliness, yet we here in our state, we are still at a very nascent stage of throwing our waste wherever it is convenient. Every day, when you travel across the road, you see that there is waste everywhere, throwing out from cars, throwing out from houses into the roads, into the drains. While we claim that we are a community that wishes to keep our natural surroundings clean, yet in terms of practice, we stand nowhere close to what we speak. We say that because of the huge inflow of tourism in the state, that is so much waste is generated. Yet when you travel the roads where tourists don't go, you find there is a huge amount of waste, not only in terms of plastic waste, but also in terms of bottle waste. Now who is to be blamed? Go to any school, go to any institution, you will see this is a common practice everywhere. What are we teaching our children? What are our responsibilities as parents and as community members? Now we are very fortunate here that you have a team of highly qualified professionals, including the headman, who is a qualified professional in many aspects. We need to identify those technology that is available to ensure that this waste is taken care of. So, this initiative of Powergrid and the Shnong of Lapalang is a great example to others. Let us not just be an example by which we show that we're dumping waste and collecting dumping anywhere. But right now, we have no place to dump this waste. Technology has shown that we can compact this waste, reduce the volume, bring in purchasers who can purchase this waste from the locality. There are many other things that we can do. But before we put the 3R, there's a big R in front. It's called refuse. When people give you a plastic bag in the market, please refuse. We have to refuse this, otherwise our rivers are gone. Yesterday, I followed one of the most pristine rivers from which people were drinking. After some time, I saw something floating. When I went and picked it up, it was all Huggies. This same river system is being used by people downstream for their own household activities. Now you can imagine why all our hospitals are being filled with so many sickness. As it is, Lapalang is part of that
not my rural Shnong of 50 localities. We hope that your small initiative together with the CSR from them will encourage other institutions also within the state to follow suit and also contribute towards CSR within the respective localities.
So we would like to express our sincere appreciation and gratitude to the Powergrid for giving us this pickup truck. And also we hope in the near future we'll work together with many other projects which Lapalang requires a lot of development. So in the mark of gratitude, we are called upon a man to present the momentous to the Powergrid officials. We would like to present